How to build DIY ladder shelf. Take a V-shaped ladder and open it as you would before climbing its steps. On each rung, add a pair of corner braces. These are critical to the shelf pieces you slide into every step being secured for the long haul. All of the space provided with very little coverage makes it the perfect area for plants, towels, or display pieces. Hooks can also be screwed into the ladder's side panels for hats, purses, and decorations. Tip: use a wooden ladder for a brisk paint job to match your decor after a light sanding of the surfaces you plan to coat. That's it for now. I hope you enjoy my new video presentation style. Check description to find more detail related to this little change. Follow a pasted link there to learn more makeover ideas. And until next time, thanks for watching.